Greetings to all and welcome to Chapanabganj TV. I am starting today's news of Chapanabganj TV. Faradiba Borno is with you. First of all, the news headlines of Manamina Agricultural Farm. In Chapanabganj, 22 new corona patients were identified. 9th Academic Council and Syndicate meeting of Exim Bank Agricultural University, Bangladesh held. A young man was killed when a truck hit him in Chapanabganj. The titles are given so long, this time in detail. The Health Department has informed that 22 new corona have been identified in Chapanabganj. On Monday evening, the results of 99 samples from the corona lab of Rajshahi Medical College Hospital showed corona positive in 22 people. Chapanabganj Civil Surgeon Jahid Nozrul Choudhury has confirmed that 22 new corona have been identified. The 9th Academic Council and Syndicate meeting of Exim Bank Agricultural University, Bangladesh (EB-AUB) has been held through virtual platform. The meeting was chaired by the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor A.B.M. Rashidul Hassan. Also present at the meeting were Nozrul Islam Mojumdar, Honorary Chairman of the Board of Trustees and a member of the Syndicate; Nozrul Islam Shopon, Honorary Member of the Board of Trustees and Syndicate; Honorary Member of Board of Trustees and Academic Council A.K.M. Nurul Fazal Bulbul; Honorable Member of the Board of Trustees and Academic Council Mohammad Abdullah; Honorary Member of the Board of Trustees and Syndicate and Academic Council and Managing Director of Exim Bank Limited, Mohammad Haidar Ali Mia; Additional Secretary of the Ministry of Education and Honorary Syndicate Member A.K.M. Aftab Hossain Pramanik; Honorary Member of the Academic Council nominated by the Syndicate Professor Mohammad Shekandar Khan and Professor Mansur Uddin Ahmed; Honorary Syndicate Member nominated by the University Grants Commission and Professor of Economics at the University of Rajshahi MD Ilyas Hossain and others. A motorcyclist named Russell Ali, 30, was killed when he was hit by a truck in Roshidnagar area of Chapanabganj Shona Masjid Highway. Russell is the son of Golam Rabbani of Ghorapakia village in Ghorapakia Union of Shibganj Upazila. The accident took place in Rashidnagar area of Shibganj Upazila around 10:30 am on Monday. Shibganj Police Station OC Farid Hossain of Chapanabganj district said Russell lost control when he collided with another motorcycle in Roshidnagar area around 10:30 am. He died on the spot when a truck hit him. Upon receiving the news, the police recovered his body from the spot and brought it to the police station. Finally, considering the current situation in Corona, I urge everyone to abide by the hygiene rules. Today, I am concluding the news bulletin of Chapanabganj TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel of Chapanabganj TV to get regular updates. You can also join as Citizen Journalism. Contact us at 01316 025972 to report any news in your area. Goodbye for today and good night.
নিয়মিত চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জের সংবাদ পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জ টিভি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল।